Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So this is a quick update on the cost and management accounting live batch of ICAI SM series that is being conducted on our mobile app. Before I give you the update, I request all of you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications, and follow us on Instagram and Telegram. All the links are given in the video description. Do check that. Now the quick update is that we are starting with the module 2 in the series ICAI SM series that is being conducted, the live batch, absolutely live batch. Module 2 is starting from 21st of October 2021. And sir, all those who have not joined yet, they can join, right? The live batch they can join. Sir, what about the module 1? Module 1, the recorded sessions of the live class are already available for the module 1. 2-3 classes are absolutely recorded. The rest of the classes are the recorded sessions of the live class only, right? So that is available, already available. Once you make the payment, you join the batch. After that, you can watch the live classes, recorded session. The module 2, you can attend absolutely live, right? Every day, the classes are being conducted from 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. right? We are taking the extended sessions also to complete the syllabus on time. The language of the course is English, right? It is being conducted on our Android mobile app, that is KSJ Teaching. You can download from the link given in the video description. Android mobile app, you can watch it, this batch, in the app. Most importantly, you can ask your queries. After every class, we are having a query session, right, where you can ask your doubts from any chapter, whatever the chapter we are covering or covered, right? So if you are joining for the module 2 from right now, you can you will be watching the module 1 recorded session. You can ask your queries anytime, right? You can ask your queries anytime from the module 1, any chapter. So module 2 is starting from 21st of October, that is today. So quickly join before the today's session. This is going to be an absolutely game changer, and I tell you, if you join this course, 50 to 60 marks, 60 plus marks you can easily score in cost accounting. This is my guarantee to you people, right? Because I'm going to tell you a lot of tricks, lot of alternative ways of doing it, right? Most importantly, you can ask your queries. This batch is completely in English, available on our Android mobile app. All those who want to join in Hindi English mixed lectures, recorded lectures are already available on the app. The complete syllabus is already available. You can join that also, right? It is equally applicable. Okay, this batch is for December 21 as well as May 22 students, right? May 22 students, because we are covering both the modules. We are covering as per December 21 also, and we are covering as per May 22 new module also, right? So both the modules are being covered. So even the May 22 students can take the benefit, right? So join now, guys. This is an absolutely beneficial course, right? A game changer course which can fetch you more than 60 marks easily in the cost accounting, right? The price of the course is $13.99. $13.99. This is the price of the course at which you will be able to join from our Android mobile app. What you have to do is you have to download our Android mobile app, KSJ Teaching. After that, log into the app using your mobile number and name. Then go to the store section. At the bottom, you will find the store section. Find out the course, the live course. It will be written, the live course there, right? Make the payment, and immediately after the payment, you will join the batch, and you will be able to attend the today's live session, that is 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. So quickly join, guys. Go download the app and join the batch. This is going to be a life changer. This can definitely save you 6 months of your attempt, right? So see you guys in the live batch. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.